first dilemma. Day, ano? Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Pero nasa akin yung ticket mo. Eh, paano yung cellphone?
Cellphone ko.
Ano naman, Day?
Sabi ko, parang nalaglag.
Unang puntos po kay Fredinel. Dahil naiwan yung cellphone.
Hello everyone, my name is Mika and today I'll be sharing with you our Northern Mindanao trip. I-explore natin ang Cagayan de Oro, Bukidnon at Davao City. We will be staying in Northern Mindanao for 6 days and ang pinakauna nating i-explore ay ang Cagayan de Oro. So if you want to know where to eat, the things you can do, as well as the budget and itinerary, please keep on watching. Thank you!
On the way to Belrose Hotel.
Choco. What time po yung breakfast?
Ako muna. Saan ka? Magkakakitaan talaga lang. So we are on our way to Kalandagan. Kusina Higala. Kusina Higala, no? Pasok po. Ay, baliktad.
We had a late lunch here in Kusina Higala. Malapit lang din siya sa hotel namin and grabe, sobrang sarap ng food. Super recommended talaga and ang ganda din ng place and service nila. This is a Filipino food restaurant. Medyo pricey lang siya pero malaki naman ang serving nila.
Sarap. Tingin nyo? Maya na lang. Binibidyoan kita ha. Sama ko to. Grabe, ang ganda ng CR dito, mga ti. Yung mga hindi nag-usap sa outfit.
After taking a nap, we decided to go to High Ridge to get some early dinner and enjoy the sunset and overlooking view of Cagayan de Oro.
I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer. I pulled away from it. Moved to the city over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors. I can't see anything. I'll be your coffee. I'll be your poster child, walking like Jesus. When all the stores are closed, you think of drowning out in your parents' pool. The water's freezing. It was September. I think I know you. I was here before the start of the storm. It's all around you now. You're coming back. Now you're coming back.
One of the best spot that we discovered here in CDO is High Ridge. Ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng view, and affordable din yung mga pagkain nila. May 100 pesos entrance fee pero consumable naman siya. Tumambay lang kami and nagkwentuhan.
Ismiling.
Ay, hindi mo pa na ano. Panin ko sana.
never feels the same. I'm bringing abstract ball into the real world. I'm trying to reclaim my own thoughts, my own mind. Forced out through doubt, memories empty when you think about my mistakes and his mistakes, and yours are worn out and have been replaced. Misspelled and withheld, creating something that I can sell. Obscured before, try to write but you leave it unsure. And when I put down what's inside of my head, it never feels the same. Bringing abstract thought into the real world. I'm trying to reclaim my own thoughts, my own mind. Each of feels to keep inside. Unformed thoughts you want to hide. Headache split your skull to find perfect thought inside your mind.
V!
Oh my God!
500 days! Ako nagpipicture. Papunta kami ngayon, kaming dalawa na lang muna dahil si Person may ganap na wedding. So, it's our day today. Pupunta ka. Ay, B, hindi masyadong mainit, B. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Seven Seas. Pero pupunta muna kami sa SM kasi magbibili ng rash guard. So, yun lang, bye. So, hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa Bimbi. And kakain kami ng lunch before going to Seven Seas. Kasama ko si Fred, which is yung nagbibideo sa akin. Tingnan ka. Pakita ka. Ayan. Ayan ang person na pretty. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Seven Seas. Ang ganda. Punta na tayo. Konti lang yung tao kasi Friday ngayon. Meron din pala dito silang Oliver's Cafe. Ito, kiddie pool. Ang binera namin sa Klook is 928. So, mas mura siya ng konti pag nandito ka. Ito yung kiddie pool. Uy, ang saya naman. Ito ata, Fred, hindi ito nagsasara. Tapos itong wave pool. Tapos meron din tayo yung parang, yung paikot. So, ayun. Titignan din natin yun. Pero mamaya na lang. Ang ganda ng amenities dito. Sulit na yung 1,000. Uy, walang nag-aano dun sa wave pool. Wave pool to eh, sabi. My God! Ano nang siya? Oh, ayun yun, B. Ayan, ito yung i-rides namin mga. So, hi everyone. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Extreme Ride. Anong naiisip mo, Fred? Are you excited?
Medyo.
Ay, ako kinakabahan ako.
Tropang rush guard.
Tropang rush guard ang mga person. Mga dito sa Pirate Tower. Plank, Pacific, Cutlass, and Cannonball. So, let's go.
Plank trap muna.
Plank drop muna tayo. Punta na tayo sa first drop. Doon muna tayo sa pinakamalapit. Doon sa pinakamalapit muna tayo. Love yung kabakot. Very good. Guys, ito yung aanuhan namin. Then ito yung overview ng Seven Seas. Ang ganda. Ayun na, B. Let's go. Bawal ba yung mukha? Dire-diretso siya. Sophie!
Stuck din siya.
Oh my God! Lucky number 8. Go. Uy, asaya. Ay, maano? Mighty Maui River. Anong pinaka mas gusto mo, Fred? Na ride? Sa inauna.
Yun nga, yung cyclone.
Talaga? Gusto mo umulit tayo ngayon?
Eh, kaso wala tayong kasama eh.
Oo, meron yan. Yung dalawa ulit.
O, sige.
Ay, ito po aking bankero for today.
Baluga!
Ang bagay na kita yung snowboard. Pwede na. Ang bagay. Alam mo, grabe ka. Sama na. Boom. Guys, tignan nyo naman, walang tao dito sa Seven Seas. Mostly lagi may tao dito. Friday kasi kami pumunta. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Ang sarap. Tapos may waves dito mamaya, pero di pa sure kasi magtitipid ata sila, hindi pa nila ino-open.
So, hi everyone! Itutur ko lang kayo sa Seven Seas Water Park dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Seven Seas Water Park is the first world-class pirate-themed water park in the Philippines. Na-establish siya noong November 2017 at merong 12 thrilling slides, 5,000 square meter wave pool, and long lazy river. I-flash ko na lang sa screen yung park rates and cabana rates nila. Nagpunta kami dito ng Friday. Sobrang onti lang ng tao kaya nasulit talaga namin yung mga rides. Super perfect nito lalo na sa mga family outing with kids. Di kayo mag-worry kasi madami silang lifeguards, but of course, kailangan pa rin maging maingat. Ang tip ko lang kailangan maaga pa lang kayo dumating kasi may mga time limit lang yung mga extreme rides. Ang park hours nila for weekdays is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pero every Saturday of the week, open sila up until 9 p.m. Medyo underrated pa sila since bago pa nga lang, pero sobrang nakaka-heal ng inner child. Sobrang sulit yung binayad namin. So if you have time, you can check out 7 Seas here in CDO.
Dito tayo sa mga, parang hindi siya masyadong binubuksan. Ang cute nito, oh. Ayan, ang daming cottage. May sarili siya, Fred. Tingnan mo. Ay, ang dami pa pala dito. Look. Ang dami pa pala. Pero hindi siya hindi siya open. Ay, hindi. Ito yung pinag-aanuhan natin eh. Guys, dito kami umanuhan. Meron din silang souvenir shop. Pasok ba tayo? Pirates Lookout Town. Grabe, ang ganda here. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Don't you know they never stick?
Guys, nandito kami ni Freddy Nel ngayon sa malapit na beach dito sa Seven Seas. Then, grabe, tignan nyo naman. Oh my god, ang ganda. Grabe. So nice. Sobrang underrated ng CDO, mga miss. It's giving.
But you convince me and I fall for the stars that I see in your eyes. You convince me that I can't know if I never tried. Love me like you do. Baby, you make me feel so new all the time.
Ano, check natin yung kambingan doon. Lover yung in-order namin. Parang ang sarap. Siya nagsabi sa akin ito. So, tinry namin tong ribs and bibs. Ayan, nagpa-order na kami sa Grab. Let's eat.